everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android screen in a 2013 Mercedes C-Class that it didn't come with backup camera. We install our universal leaf mount, flash mounted to the factory spot. This is the 10.25 inch Android screen. As you can see, it's perfectly flash mounted to the factory spot without any gap, and by touching the screen we can go back to the aftermarket mode. By go to reverse, it shifts to backup camera with dynamic parking guidelines. And we can use the iDrive knob command to scroll left and right. We can go back to factory command, and also by touching the screen we can go back to the aftermarket mode. All the Android apps, they're here. You can install any app from Play Store, Google Maps, Waze, or any apps that you like to use. That's the video option, full screen, and also you can go to the dashboard that it shows the RPM and also shows the speed of the car and the kilometers on the car. By turning on the climate control, you can see the information of climate control at the bottom as well. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.